Welcome to the channel, you absolute Zontes maniacs. If you're new here, make sure you hit like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the new videos dropping soon. Today we're talking about one of the smartest upgrades Zontes has ever released, the 3-road generation PKE intelligent driving and intelligent companionship system, a feature that genuinely changes how your bike behaves before you even touch it. From the moment you walk toward the bike, the system recognizes the key fob and wakes up instantly. The electronics initialize, the bike prepares itself, and it feels like it's greeting you. No buttons, no fumbling, no delays, just a smooth, intelligent connection between rider and machine. And when you walk away, it doesn't just switch off. It thinks. It locks itself automatically, shuts down unnecessary circuits, protects the battery, and drops into low power mode without you doing a thing. It's like the bike knows your routine and handles the boring stuff for you. But the real magic is in the intelligent companionship features. Your Zontes stays connected with you through the display and the app, sending real-time updates about battery status, security alerts, system health, navigation prompts, and more. It's constantly monitoring itself and communicating with you, making sure you always know what's happening whether you're riding or parked. It's basically a digital co-pilot that never gets tired and never misses a detail. This isn't just convenience, it's a serious upgrade in safety, reliability, and rider experience. The bike reacts faster, protects itself better, and keeps you informed in ways older systems simply couldn't. Zontes has taken tech you'd normally only see on premium touring bikes and made it standard across their new models, giving everyday riders a smarter, more connected machine. So if you've ever wanted a motorcycle that feels alive, aware, and genuinely helpful, the 3-road Gen PKE intelligent driving and intelligent companionship system is exactly that. Modern, seamless, and designed to make every ride feel effortless. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. You don't want to miss what's coming next.
I'm coming for the throne.